Not worried about anything changing in the world of investing. You're all fearful of AI. You know what AI is going to do? Nothing. Because it's already doing it now. It's been doing it since electronic trading. You're acting as if this is somehow, it's going to take away your ability. It's not going to do anything. The only thing that can happen is more people be involved and that liquidity is increased. So all that's doing is making more in terms of in reach, all these things that you have in mind for goals. So let me ask you a question. Are you still drunk? You still doubt yourself? You sobering up slowly, but you still get that buzz from the world's whiskey? Or do you have the bourbon blues right now because you're impatient? You can't let it happen organically. Remember, you're cutting yourself off from the rest of the world that can't see things like this. Investing in yourself. It doesn't make sense to the average person. It didn't make sense to me. I wanted something better in life. I didn't want to work for someone else. Every time my wife and I take a road trip, I don't know why I ask the same questions, but I'm hoping that she's going to give me a different answer on certain things because, women are kind of fickle about that. And they guard their responses about this, that, and the other thing. But I ask her all the time, what was your first job? What did you do? What were the first 3 jobs that you had? And I actually listed, I had 32 jobs. Think about that. I could name 32 places where I was employed. Now, mind you, some of these jobs were literally walking in the door saying, heck no, I'm out the door. And the same day I'm gone.